In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner is a fantastic tool for organizing projects and managing workloads effectively across your team. If you're not yet familiar with assigning tasks, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you feel confident and ready to use this feature proficiently. Let's begin by opening your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice: Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, you name it. Simply type Microsoft Planner into the search bar and hit Enter. This should take you to the official Microsoft Planner page, which is the first step in getting started. Once you're on the Microsoft Planner homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. This will allow you to access your account. If you're already logged into your Microsoft 365 account, the system may sign you in automatically and you'll be ready to proceed. However, if you aren't automatically logged in, you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Do this, and you'll be signed in no time. Now, with access granted, it's time to navigate to your specific project plan. This step is crucial because tasks are always associated with a particular project within Microsoft Planner. Browse through your plans, and once you find the one you're working on, enter it. After locating your project plan, direct your attention to the tasks already listed under that plan. Choose the task you'd like to assign and click on its task card. This action will open up a detailed pane, providing you with more information about the task and allowing you to make necessary changes. In this Task Details pane, keep your eyes peeled for the Assign button. This button is typically situated at the top section of the pane. Once you spot it, click on the Assign button. This is your ticket to delegating responsibilities with ease. When you click it, a list of all the plan members will appear. Carefully scroll through this list to find and select the name or names of the team members you wish to assign the task to. Selecting a team member's name will add them to the task. Once you've finalized your selection, you'll notice the names of the assigned members appear on the task card itself. This visual confirmation means you've successfully assigned the task, and it's now clear to the whole team who is responsible for what. By following these steps, you've efficiently assigned tasks within Microsoft Planner, which is a substantial step toward better managing project workflows and improving team productivity. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and until next time, happy planning.